Welcome again to Budget with Brian, and today I thought I'd show you my latest purchase, which is a Makita DGA452Z 18v 115mm angle grinder. I'm going to show you the features of the tool and walk you around those, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I find a bit annoying with it, but mostly why you should buy it and why I did. But before we get into all of that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, and ding the bell, and we'll tell you when the next Budget with Brian video is coming. Getting into the tool, you see it's equipped with a 1mm stainless steel cutting blade. Now, it's designed to cut stainless steel, but it cuts all steels. It cuts drain pipes and all sorts of other materials, and because it is so thin, it uses so little energy of the battery life. You've got no concerns about a battery life for a motor tool like this. The features that it's got are very good. You've got the on-off switch, you've got the spindle lock, and you don't necessarily need the tool to take the disc out. It tends to come out fairly easily, but always remove the battery before you do that. The most annoying thing I find about the tool, given its versatility, it's brilliant, is this switch. It's somebody's regulation, but you slide it and then you have to push it down, and it is awkward to do. I'd much prefer the trigger, a button and trigger switch arrangement, but as I say, it's probably somebody's regulation, and although that's annoying, it's not a reason not to buy it. The reason is you should buy it like I have, because it is that versatile. So Makita, think about putting a trigger on one of these, and I'm going to say that now that we're on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and there's a link below to see for you to see where you can buy it. Look, thank you very much indeed for watching Budget with Brian, and get yourself one of these.